Even the next program will be Roy. You could be more of you are doing the speeches. Speeches when probably one of the request adong the year. The community minimum and of email. Around Kelowna in the 4%. The water microphone, but father, the hotel was which are the
Buliel tidiang kartan idong ini pet kama beri General Service kacir peklaji idong family members adong watia kolega makuno lu yiku waranyim cilok dong waranyim beri miu kar ke General Service magua ke kampala ngedong. So please bear with us. We shall do it. General Service, please can we begin to move?
Kapachero eno bola Umir bino chop yang pi banyak wame di chero ikari bola
Kasket warajim.
kasket yang berbeda nyim bola no tie di the far side. Bola please organize yourself bino kan. Bu kita maleng kan walego ne dano gubedi bolo jo mati machok talo family members the parents ene ke chero itimo a ke makere ke woro ke chero po barrio. Bola you ane kaman pian liane ko yo ane kabin jan ke tunge wek liel pe in the forefront dano pe ke mero ne bin kan bedo kanya unity yene nero jo mapol tika o ke bolo mero ne bin kan ini pe kan ti yene bi nano
Kasket
sinma ke jalo men wakeri.
Kasket, go in front. We are following you.
Bola geramo
Change the weather now. We were requesting that we remain seated wherever we are. We need a few people only at the gravesite. Let's have a few people only at the gravesite. The rest of us can follow the proceedings from wherever we are seated. Thank you so much. Yesus Kristo. Lian para Kristo dujo udah mungkin maleng. Karena itu pemain di Elian. Rie peminade. Anio ni buliel. Pekonya kakak bodar ke. Ngato meru bene geno chie wakwai wadla chichiwe germon ikuchi lieban nyoi che man biche kaman binano keriwai kuat mabeno nala meporo ingin buatwa Yesus Kristus. Yang Kristo kuponye ikindo moto. Kandung kai tinggi bilang kumwa mayai dong. Boleh? Oh, boleh bayar kita. Bisa Buat itu, buat orang boleh semua, buat malay, buat mencari komo. Lewat tu, buat rim, pakorban. Yes,
Taking away the mathematics in one time, Camero recognizing Kigi. Kidma down take a Duguru Bola.
Oye na daga John Louis Pajaman yuk matin wan eni na weng ang mapadi-padi kita mapadi-padi lo weng bibiro kami war mi giti yo lumawa ilatinwa yonwa yo minwa Professor Ronnie Max Ochaya apoyo matek mi jallo karawu ibi ka jingwa ka matin Posh Madrid Port Ecclesia Monsignor Matthew Dong ki hotel lega weng hotel lega yup matin mafut wa chabo lok machego oga nyut a bem mugo maton magitik wa mugo biyo kam ya war mi gitti ot la ten mamwa ikin watini enini
kayiru tike meche ibin bere besenti iromo miyone yan kina ane kite announcement ni big wang tie ka chien kayin priti kere chwal besenti ka kenyo apoy
ikin watini enini wachi kilangol kop madit aloyo lungol kop weng me lobo kain la dit angol kop Alphonse Tikamoyo windol wa poyo la dit dubir ka jingowa eno wor gitto menne la ten mamoro kor ni ambassador Dr. Lara Tunu NBT kin wakan o poyo la dit ana romera la chudwa i otchik lobu Uganda ya gago David again atora benetike wakan go foyo okay atnake gutelo pot kachel nenu met mada to bedo kachel ko mero Edward Makmoro to foyo my brothers from Karamoja, our brother Professor Ronnie Max Ochaya was a very, very instrumental fellow in the development of Karamoja sub-region. But today we are very happy to receive Honorable Remigio Achia, MP for Pian County. Also Chair Parliamentary Caucus for Karamoja Parliamentary Group. Thank you for making time to come. And my senior brother, Lieutenant General James Nakibas Lakara, la diti enini ber la dit monyo tiu tit matek karama lach pilob Uganda tamani tini enini kera tek ni bimi woro ormine Professor Ronnie Max Ochaya Bruno Professor tawon wini kede ma bi bajo ma cheche ko ni chamo upanu no weng na title mamuru wana mama dong tiang jimpare karu motor punya emina woro lureme mukere abe ko kwaro ko oy romi romi kan mal madong pedong petit pan mo madok karo keno gite ke bakani anero Professor Engineer Peter Tilla Kintikan oh boy Professor Londi Ojok Tikany, Wapoy. Our senior brothers, Professor Bernard Udu is here, Wapoy. Another senior, Professor John Musome is here. Thank you for coming. Also, the Parliamentary Pension Scheme, Parliament Uganda Gitikany. Thank you for coming. And then Dr. Mrs. Aol is Jock Tikany. Thank you. And then Mayor Madid Moses Opio Galbe Tikany. La Chenda, and then I won't come, yes, speech, they're not done, Leonard Opio Ojo, Wapoi. Tianano, one Tom, ni Aban Council at death, but on Council, Honorable Joseph Comaket, the ticket of Wapoi. You don't want to go away, the room, Mapadi, what Jono, Wapoi, woman, the Jingle Tinga, Wapoi, Belka, me Waro, Boro Loma Mamoa, Kitmanakanen, Monsina Wagani, Kitung Kaini, Obe Kikario, Timni, Omio Warrior, Gitti, Otroni Max, which I, but Pacomati, and any, Timilama Dr. Ambrose Pulubane, corner ring, that is one. On a level of church, we got to even a good point. What put to a gun in law? On a time when you can attack, the Kerachel can, we watch you lock, but dog, he come for Omenwa, Professor Bruno Ronnie Max, which I have. Kitmanane, Omena Matidi, Bruno Dog, Obama. En Pinuale, in the Bureau of Rio, video me a Piero, Mara Bachel, in your Bungwen, Picker Beach. En po Balacarene, Chacoquano Comate, Pano, Yermakeri University of Tiago, Yermago, Oquanago Wing, Pagawa, Uno, Roma Piloni Professor, Matirmana Wajani, Peroque. Pano mo madong karo kenyo, yung pano ko liweng. Mo pilo wiyo matek mada. El mo kena mo pilo wiyo bete ke marang, long the job te, Professor Latin te, opo yo. Teacher, elo beru la kiri, teach matek, Paul teach. Mano timo tiyo ikaramoja. And teach, mano timo, berkatimo teach. Min nano tinmi tawon logo, nyayo limiting tano. Ene gino ga enero umejua kilo dirmaton me karamoja gite kan ki karamoja kunu imi na rom kinyi man kilo eni lugomale kadano mangero wani ni road me karamoja lugomale kitit mabe kitit makwir manotim kitit madon akeri university ta opon dogala pon Madong nakakar punya pene endok punya lu punya mukane makare teach mukane mayano timo mi punya litino julugi mini ingech mi ko mi nyayo li mi tingdaro wote mo teach ele kama duong ada actually Karamoja wote Gulu University Makere University wote na Lobo Wing. And look at the key, look at what you're going to do. Garachel, Bobedi King, Yomotimo, Quet Madon, be locked, Madon come, COVID, Corona. What you totally well to going, what you did my bedo, Obarcarne, Ere Gavatini, what you got Waha, Kerberni, or Watani, or Poyo, Iponi. What na be kikuch. En uberudan mamaro gang mamege. Daga mamege kila teone. Uponyagi, kalagi gang kwan, uponyagi ko mabe. Uberudan mamaro dano. Yol ang pajane. Uminwa natit Professor Bruno Ronnie Max Uchaya uto uwe kumbego. Litera ngwen ile pa eche. Apoio.
Wandong wa meta nyim wa lo won kom LC1 pi andong wa pi charo lo. LC1 very bin.
Ito Yesus Kristo. Luak lukumo, magoa kikaber mapapat, ram mapapat, ajualu, apoyo pino kakeno kuar kedua, makarna dujo, Amira Jollo di Roma don la dit Chief Justice Kidul Mero War Kwede la dit MP Mayor Gago Honorable again David Atoa Ajolo want Pama Beach he councillors now do it la dit Mayor he councillors now do it we come Mario Mageti Kan we come Matiel Magawa Kaper Mapat Ajolo Pene Ajolo Luak Lukumo Magawa Kaper Mokakan Afoy Pino Afoy Pino Kateno Quad Kadua and particular Mapol Tamani Ajolo Wapedo Pijo Makoni Guakdog Gipidak Distan Mabo a legal road la chwe oko nyu a jotu ko be kweo afoyo
Foyo mate kuon kom a chel me pajokan wa lo family representative la dit me kara katuol ka chel mageti pajokan ka chel ma ke kotido gubin kuon kom plan representative Plan representative Mati Yachole e Mati Kotido nan muzee de Rabino ya on kom ka katol chatuti maraja Mati pajokoto Yachole kan
My name is Paul Moting David Kamil, the father of Ochaya, Ronnie, Max.
Rawenye David ene wono cha Bruno enomen Bruno Kotki Kome
Arai kira papa ke no arai amuna inyo ani kolong yakaru akano to mani kape yang kan kare ine ne ku ina I want sorry let me call local
Negero mo bin ako ko plebe kin na hindi ka lokere ni Tugo pan ma kiken te dame
Atam tadi mau kini ada tamai. Arai kita aja lo no way. Arai. Akaru kolong ati jual tu mani kape yang kan kare. Ini guru ada awangis. Ani dia itu tu anak lo biukini.
He says he is the real father of Bruno Ochaya, and he says he knows how Ochaya grew up. In fact, we are the brothers of Ochaya, is our father, so Ochaya the late is our brother.
Araja itu anak noi ni anak kena. Algoma ekredi. Pai turo. Ara itu anak itu ada adang. Aja mending itu ada adang.
That Ochaya was somebody who loved his work. He loved people. If you heard the message which our brother Otto mentioned, that is exactly what he is saying. He says the home of Ochaya was always open for any other person.
Adami, Ochaya, Rai iko kukweli. Ini adun nene lore, awan lagi dengan tonga, lukai, alkaoma, erikotido.
But he used to come home. He loved home. Not only here, he also used to come to Kotiro, used to come to Acholi, and he loved being with these people.
Auna ngono, yaja bila grona laga. Lakin dia bitir wajah nyatonare, ebunene ingkali ada mere pe kalibon.
He says he doesn't have much to say, but caution Satan says death is normal. Every family must have experienced death.
Gara ne be koi, ane kunya atanare ite wata bare nyaya iko kinyo kile ike imatari kilanya wara kilanya lakini wintera ingina namunono.
He says, if we were to observe or to be told that death is coming, we would run away. But unfortunately, death comes untimely.
Alakala na bono wei yazingi tunga ngulu alapa tonga ne agijao ni suwa apei kankade tuja kanege lakini ponto dadan.
He says, I would like to thank the people of Patao for receiving us warmly. He has come here with his children and other relatives.
Aneni edowa alotoma najiye enyeri tanya ko clan Chakalomun.
With us in Jide, our clan is called Chakalomun.
Adami ikwana pekana ne alaka chule.
And I think it's the same with the one which is here in Acholi.
Yes, aneni alodi toma ide lu olodi ochaya. Abalayo ajami alodi tini ni akali alocha selengi deulo bidingi.
But he now wants to talk to the children whom Ochaya has produced.
Ochaya wacha ikiziki yes, ipolo kwa yes. Yero kwa yarangi de, jamita yes, utikongi tai. Ipo ignorejo, uli ya minin, yes kaapei, ka totokus, ka nguzi yene tarang, ka nguzi yene tarang.
He says, it is true, your father is no more. But you have grown up, and his advice is, please stay in unity, as a family, as relatives, and other people.
Ajamita kalipes na kolongi tenaka. Ayakara bu papa gus. Aye lo ba idong ara papa gus. Itamagi na yesang. Onnete lode anyi zwa kama. Mere zwa bon yapane lalo.
He says, it is true, your dad is no more, but he remains as one of the pillars representing your dad. And he's also appealing that, please, once in a while, come and check on him. It is very necessary.
Alaka nyere, alai beringi na polo no ya angro dangi. Ayi na kama itiate lote na kopa nguzungui. Aki to donle to na kito da ma ngari kiti to ma. Oi tanyi to kiti lo be Chakalomun. Ane kiti be ko muru na yeke. Iwane ko kiti akiti be ko muru na yeke.
He says it is true you could be having so many commitments, but he appeals that please spare some time, come down home so that you should be able to relate with the people down there and know them properly.
I jamda bali mokin oto. Oh, Okidi.
But he now wants to mention something to Oto and Okidi.
Oto. Yo na bana ito. Yo ka Okidi. Asan to okot. Ajamita ingara kito ngidelu. Itata mete jok. Limuta ngantro da dang. Ina yo akal te akodang. Oyin te gezidang. Ito adang. Oyinete. Atagar da dang. Oyini.
He has now appealed to Oto, Okidi, and Santos. You are the ones who are left behind. And you are the ones who should mentor these children in good practices. They should also be knowing that we have the other families there. As he said, our clan is called Chakalomun, but there is also some culture we practice in Morana Yeche.
Ngida bala nyaka no ya gitoya akaru. Alaka no oi mitunga alapatango yang jauh ni atua. Na ita jami jo yang gitoyo ninga de. Tuwa ni kala ngani ani. Tuhani kide. Lakini mametu la. Yang ite raya ta majesu ta ni ka tubo nya la. Aki ngikulo wone ponto.
He says, thank you very much to the people of Patao for welcoming us. Now he's requesting that he shows the family. You know, people of those days, he had 3 women, so we are very many in our family. So he's requesting to show his children and the other family members.
Ira iri ano ira limo lo. Ayame polikamu. Denyo kalima jong. Ara ino every e jamu na ba dari akan dari an tomon. Ara ngawuni. How do you want night? Right, Joe. Very on Yara security. I don't know Kenya. I don't know I don't know an idea.
He has accepted that he's a polygamist, and it is true he's a polygamist, and he has 3 women. One wife is from Kenya, one is from here, and one is from GA. But fortunately, as the children, we are very united.
I don't like Manaka TV Justice. Owini Dolo. Alakana no Ipapa. Ayakauneki. Ara Yaya on a court, Papa Anyanga, Abraham. Ala Rai, a joke, Rai, Chief Majesty, and a physical. Ara Papa, he can idea in it, with a time Papa. I did a joke, don't be on the pillow. Alakara Papa.
Yes. He is greeting Chief Justice Igamoy, and he has said that he has a son who works as a Chief Magistrate in Moroto. He is called Achok Abraham Moding. He is appealing to you to mentor him, bring him up, so that he can also one day maybe become a Chief Magistrate.
Okay. Oh, sorry. I wanted to introduce these children. Everybody to introduce himself.
Okay, I am the firstborn. I am among these boys. I am called Stephen Kifunji. I am a secondary teacher. Thank you very much, and thank you for coming.
My name is Anakibus Lakara, Lieutenant General, retired. I am a young man to the holy man here, Haji Kamili. I'm called Ngoro Emmanuel Moding. I work for Kotido Municipal Council as the Principal Human Resource Officer. Thank you.
Longoli Isaac Moding. I am the acting senior assistant town clerk to the municipal council. Thank you. My name is Nyanga Jonathan. I'm an IT specialist. Thank you.
Klakara noi, rai karara kitiros moding, lokile kalo, ukadwe lulu yakazi kang isabiono kiriono. I'm called Arkidiros Moding. And this is my children, those who are all in black, and this is my son, the firstborn, or the first wife of Mzee. I come from Kalongo. And I've been to Kalongo, Gangwati Kalongo, that's for your father.
Well, Matek, man, the did modding, and your main at all, your madam Pia Julie, equivalent pa. Musée Bruno do Pereira equivalent of museo. Tino wenda mi got kom mano joga tuol matiga chole me winyo kakamare wale ne goto madoma ke nying tuol ento en kaka tuol achele foi.
Gita Yesu Kristo kakkan winto len matin winyi anama ekipo ka ana beru ko ka winchi ga mai mama mana cái còn là ruột ở phải đó toàn nhưng mà trời nó ở đây nó cái nhau quỳ cái cài đẹp thiệt rồi một đêm nghe nó về nhiều cái cả mơ ra chị em đồ rồi dùng cái cả mơ ra anh thích cái đồ rồi actually cái tông bara tapi đồ là con mà phun ở phía si wang nếu vì nó care thiên mà đi nó tiêu cái đấy area mere ở phía là did me people Mr. Don Monsino ở phía là window đó mà cái thứ chuyện đó cái thứ mà cái đó là window lên mà thì ở phía là tên là mày thôi em này là tên là do cái tuần đấy là cái Minuto Ono pe la ta ke ko me. Alum misapa Bruno kasi at kiri Aldo ko din kai. Ko Bruno eri bawa tia dila. Meneno nyolwa wang tia ni. Mr. saya Mene kilo ni ati uli kaka obikol si mene lunyurma gini malwae nino mati asal karamana aku milungu min lato kekiti no ko waso tuari oni ko wajib mo mana nana ko foto bal asal ko bot misoto
Oyo berkah, nah ada dalam, mereka luar mereka ada ni, apa yang biru kan, ni ayo berkumpu, apa yang jengutin lah, apa jengutin, betul apa profesor saya. I really managed black and white. I think my all white team commander still out of I know I don't want to when I no, I don't know what no bad for you, I'll go. Boy, will come away. I'm not doing you more. Yeah, Kitty Aldo. I got put down girl in a pony dinga. Making Mungere, Aratia, Gago District Local Government, Stepala Shallow Poetry in Mutime, a poem on Junior, and Jockey Otto to 12. Manawa, where you mean one in the paradeck, midway man when Aerobe, dry tree. For weighing all protocol observed, Gilmanangel, the professor. Aerobe talo ri bien ri kadan pagotie la cheke ro dage ngete kore ke professor gingo wego mapi lu mamalo bien mare gino wan per wango ke apoyo toile ma la dit mon signo o ufoje wakwere donc, Tawa Pere, I got all point to 12 both chairperson organizing committees. Ario Monotie, Makampala, Timati Patokai. I thought again the Gago community, get rid of 12. How now Germany weighing Ubino, one day Ponge Ubino. To 12 point, but my did OC prison, Mr. Gona. Rubai kumedegum, otuchung pematofali, maero mio, si la dit kakamati ye, atamo rubai kumedegum, mawan pewaro mio. Donc petit lok moma Paul, atamo titma babawa logoni, kaonero no tiro pa Professor Bruno Roni Max Oshaya, ujolge kaubero nyutigi yo, ofoyo mate.
Cái war mà đi được đấy, phải con em số gang, đồ đó phải về cái, mà phải đồ luôn đấy go, cái sao điều đào, cái chỗ cái chuối mà cái vừa về blue burn, đọc cái chỗ cái đấy, đi quan của về rồi, sao vào rio, ya có sao cái đó, như này cái gì cái chuối này, là tiền này chuối cái quảng của tiền này của mình. Đồng thời nên bà lộc à đấy, lấy cái về một tí, đi chui mang kinh mê trả lũ, lấy cái về này quý nó không về cái huy đồ anh chết độc mà rồi, mang kinh lệ anh ai nu, tiền lộc mà không bị đi điều cái, đi ở toàn trên cái về nghe, tiền tiền lộc thì chết đấy, lúc cái war mà đi, alo về nè, phải xem cái tiền nó, cổ biên cái vậy ra nó mới con này đấy. Thế nó, ở phải được là sao à? man jo ma bina lu gini minot klato mera siel ke ketina enen minatin na tiga bino ketgi en ketina ma bong enen lu manen ma be ikonya ki gwa ko ne ile ruba figi po to pan jo ne ketina nyora nyinga nyora migi ko do tegen do da ko po
Apoy wundu me bino ja me lok pen maen ni latin mo me achiel Francesca Kelo me mo kenen in achan consulate me adek ayeno tika kong ngaro me mio ka bebe donc man me ajikini pero Bruno atemem apoy utukan
Teme balo kare minota la toy ne achiel ke keteno oke kau no pokoknya gino dia tiap kita paro ba pati kita dano kita mau ni mau ni ini coba kita roba uya tiene kita go ni kumjone apa itu kalau nulat orangnya di dorong ada jadi kepala kan karo maro karane ome de kanyi makin me golo lo ko beti kere nyoda no ko kuta kere apa itu kan nya ki hono wai taro me matin aji kakai
so ya matek la din makaka ka tuon maketi ya churi sabrijo nyo ya dilang yorina na yorina bin wa ko yorina rama marwek la ko nenu ana bu ya lo me yorina Gicha, nero che ti ho marcia qua, ti faccio urina, ma poi bino, ma poi matek, poi bino. For medical program, but no central organizing committee chairperson. You will making remark. Now about you much.
Our boy will not be able. The Chief Justice, Tim Madankan. Jowa Parliament, Kwan Matego, Gentigenwa, Wakduju, Magen Bien Kachung Pedwa, Uye Wakalong, Committee Mi Kampala, Ano La Doge, pero Professor Engineer Lating, Kepin, Kedong Kaingeni Bedi Committee, Committee ye chuanyim glo kunenu iwaini chawo timaraj chalego ni bini chung wakeneni committee ye era lo professor ki committee mi Kampala kupin alwa kumo anamer do ko politiken wodjo moko konyewa kijami michingi Tingej mi wigi, ki gufu magenti kwede, mi toro ching wego yupui, tie kit monano kwede ni. Angyo la chweje big tulu, luakwa mua ke karamoja, upo binu yoma pol gu tiuti mapapat, niyo wakubedi, lakalego bene komiti ichung matek, Mina ni jami magimiwa awapa ki woko udok bot wegine we yok kutu mabe duye ki wor madit we kami microphone enini bot professor engineer ting en bi kwanya ki kamana giriyene kadong bi wachulo pachek chino dog me go dikakany Gina chel mamir watune ni wonwa madong wakano kome uyopo wakia chama tigia mara tie moromo pero ne olo igudi kit machik chule waji kere mapia ke kan kadu dok ajutu ko bet kweo an ke luonya sai monodoj ana bero won kom mi yop mapato kan apo e binu dutual.
Aya, ana koya, an Professor Kidi Lating, ligi, and ana bekan. Donc, mani uberu late. Kibara to 12 p.m. uberu la wara mawati ukere makerere. Ki one kanye wati professors and when no, and then do kon yoni. Atike Omera Madid, Professor Lonzi, di Bola Katane, Professor Mukane, and Uganda Tigono, Ian, Kilato, and Tindon Wallowa. Nahaneki Lopekwan, Anga Mobile, Kaka, Ochaya, tell Professor Kikan, Nerundu Tam. Undu Amapuru, Lunyuri Matien, and Nenri Piano Kwana. An la puengere logo pikwan ke kenba kwana yo ya ba yo wano lak iwi logo ni pikwan ko tamu pikwan komiti ma Kampala ana bero chairman ki watemo uno tek ento watemo ginwa waram timno joma bero tikere Dennis Willie en dangi tiki tan Kenya abigwan dano me ule uya ukaya mene mani meja ubia dano makan ki JB ukaya bekis inonye ni bekis pange pingo hiluan keto patano makan mene ki jomu kane ti bola kachane maku beru kanyawa karmato time oberu kaberu inget oto pero lo que lo tiene o pero que upe y comité monotica caen o bueno arma la que para todo virus que América si guachaco plan me wa mi ne war e makere lego kere kono mene wa mi ne war e community makeno no koye kachane wa beru mene kono ikumo to wa komo wo on we me ro bin we lore en wa temani ana koye ubed maber
Pe matek man jo mago kanyawa mene ne ik papruno wor maber cha man waluo call upon we want remarks from the Vice Chancellor of Makerere University and Gulu University. We are here with us, please ascend the front. Whenever we need remarks, we may not PN. The did me well, and government did take a program. Okay, they were negotiating for bed, but we request that this will be shorter.
The family of the late Bruno Chaya, Prof, fellow mourners, my Lord, the Chief Justice, allow me to stand on the protocol that has been aptly explained. Our religious leaders, we welcome you and thank you for supporting us and supporting the family to the journey of the late Professor Bruno Chaya. My name is Dr. Johnny Mushomi, and it's a pleasure to be here. And for me, this is the first time of coming in this district, Agago. I come from Kabale, and I have worked with Professor Bruno Chaya for a long time, ever since I joined Makerere University. I have a message from Makerere University Vice Chancellor Professor Barnabas Nawangwe, who has been a faithful employer of Professor Bruno Ochaya, and I have a few words to say about him according to the message from the Vice Chancellor's office. My colleague will also have one last message from the School of Statistics and Planning, where Professor Bruno Ochaya has mentored, trained many of us in the university. Permit me to invite you to participate with me to read what Professor Bruno Ochaya is and will remain. I have the first quote that until a lion learns to write, the story writers will always glorify the hunter. The reason we honor and respect Professor Bruno Ochaya, it is because he has left writings that will remain beyond his life. If you have a phone and you have internet, kindly go to Google with me and type in Bruno Ochaya. You will find about 55 publications that he has written, so that you can remain appreciating what he has done and what he will continue. And his writings will remain even beyond his life. Ladies and gentlemen, Professor Bruno Ochaya, as a community of Makerere University, and as a community of Makerere University, we celebrate his life. We take note that this was a life well lived, and today we are celebrating his life. And today is testimony that Bruno Ochaya did not just exist, but he lived. He has left successful successors in his 3 daughters and a son, and as well as non-biological children, especially the academia and scholars. Bruno Ochaya's Makerere University community will be remembered with a signature smile, a signature stick, and a signature bracelet as he walked on the streets of Makerere University. I would like to end this speech by a lesson that we have learned as colleagues who work with Professor Bruno Ochaya. If he has left, he has written and he has left himself words and works. If you were to depart, would we say you lived or you merely existed? To us, that is a message. I thank you.
Upoyo no ba? Eri o mabe. Tie yamu kema dikpana chani. Tika wiwa mabe. Upoyo no bino ba? An unuani Odur Bernard. Gango matili ya kani. Bebo tutwa. Yome Pashkan. Ila dit na lo lungol kome kod weng matikan. Upoyo. Members of Parliament, Kidano Wang, Ibene Jome Kanisa, Poyo, Ratim Mukan, Poyo Binuno, Poyo Jano Chawa, maybe the Capel Emi. La Rema in the Wajilog Mapol, Marco become Professor Piat, Robert Kapichawa, Matian Didi, Domio Karo Kerepon on the issue. Arangeni Kamo Kenio, you'll be going on and watch any young you are 10 minutes negative. I tell a period of okay. Lalu modal jamu ke doni anggo yang apa ya? Lalu kuando nak pedano. Apa mate? Ya, ana acero Makerere tutumia ria bishe. Kana no the late Professor Tida teach. Department ana joining. Ikara mana joining ono tie jo adek mano ya kilang ke chori. Notier department, Nyometi Makerere in the School of Statistics. Notier Professor Jonathan Odwe, Meko Beniendong Tie West Africa. Then notier Dr. Giopio, Meko Beniendong University. Eka notier and Professor Bruno, notier department Kachien. Chika tuno eno belo papa mena majina kukwong mecha kutich. beti kede no bedo kede chigi endo no ponya di mageta bongoni econometrics and the manu tika wachene ije mapol ma eno bedo kati mere department Bruno bedo ngat ma miru ni dano miru di teach yor meti ati no eno pe maru jo mati to ping chane to twal because jona jo mo kene no ki lo makchi ti ka ina na ti first class be me first class be wati to twal ma be no we be respective ma be to twal so ene cha bodo wati odu jinda ti ba ko lo ka eni yo jo ni ko ti pe yo di pa le wati ke nyero mer poño la tremoni no ti ka mo kene ru to ke chare yo ki abiru ne ti no enti ma be tra department dan bene ka no ti o te dar ma be no peti ki mo e ke na rai peti nga mo e ke ti department meti ako con Bruno kono kao manye ki ti ki rieme ki timenadi pe Professor Bruno no ber nga mi dano kwan pol kare kanu nga activity money office pa prime minister ti ka do ga be obor no be department waji yo do yi me di ka loge kin ping mo chene ti o ping me kwan kong anche la mini kwan meri bari tu me ron ma mega en ti ke do na cher meri work me pero ti o pero encouraging an eno wan lo ke ma be no pange ni nero me mo ni mutie ni o to ambe na tun Roma ni tun ye chani ko be na mado alo en ki department is school me statistics andong mera bedo mera en lao ke chol mati school yo mo ke ndong pe now ka dong ando wango do aya no dong kan dong no ping dong no dong ate wa chukumane ni dano matikan beno ke wa eni ka dano o mere kano pe kitu chunya kwa nano yake pass degree second class lower ka dong no second class upper mo do no 3.6 3.7 no do university come to first class no mere 4 point something ki dong loke dong bero te kamo kene ka dong position mo ni tie wa me ke dare get e penye mere kinda wen wa ti tiki class mere ti ko pista ti ko kingo ti no mere anu mere 2.8 no 2.8 ko ti ka mi to 4.0 mo no ti lo do te to ana ta wa ti kumane ni wan mero ti kin gang kan ka lo ti lo chari kwan ko dano ko yele ma ke yo no ko papola mo ma bene o lo to ka de ti ka chorne bene chori bare ni do ka do papola bene ti ma right ti ki ni ki take nge dan ma ti gam e ni yang man ma be ti mere ke de do bero te ti chulo ti ma professor e no bero ka ti ne school chulo wine bi bero te mo professor eno tiu ti ma be department no wati mi contract bene do mo ti contract e no ka ti contract e di chulo me gratuity ti jero gamo e mere investing e bero dal ma investment e wati mere ki wati on university wati a chene ni ticket ye no tiki ki money business money through internet you won't know the other what do you call the other business the other business only security buying security online no business bini what ya bin kan on pika udu be kan ya no ene na account na mega ene chi aba awilo ene akero ene kan ya ma be no anu anere ra chi aburu wa te pa ngeni kamoni abi pa ndi wi no mutama be ti ko be da ti da dog no be ti ngan mo o ge wa ti ge da no ka o chero wi mo ni don we mo ni ti ka enye e ka mo ni a chero American pa professor ki men gay no mer wa pe du ka ni no mer chero be o mer ba ni ka wa ti professor ni ko ni wala do ja pina no cha okay ba na ne do be we ma be ti pa no ka yo pa professor ja ti bo ka no ngan ka mi pot pa ya mi di kan mon ko na ma le chi me ki email wa cha kon ka ro wa ti ko ko do anu ki por we ya ka bon ya pe ta ngeo ki pe ti professor do ngan na mi mi da no ngech me cha to we ki mi me will me ti business ngech me kwan ti ngech me ko be ne pero wa ti lok pa ko ti wa ti lok pa ka ko ti lok ma pol ana mi ti wa po mego ni no be chu pa professor wakati wa poa eni because nego yo be ki professor ti anywhere be very school wale na mer ena diti ena be ti America si pro nego ena yo be ki professor kan kuman yo mo kan ko ti ugi mo ba ngeni Dano kai tware school do mo gi mo matia. Ki en down me out in one point belo. Aye do me lo ko ke kiri wa ta ma ki kira. So I want to kai tie ki ngan mo me ke go ma be. Bien. Ye mo ka o ke na ye do ku ka ko. Ki me gonna foy ma tek lo ka me polo mi go. Ada. So I'm particular my Paul. I think I want to Professor Dochero, one dog in a dome. Routine be an end on Mahagibe team at my bear. Routine Talo Cad on Mahapa or Pierno. You can go to Petiran on team a bear. I mean, what where Hamatika team Mahade. A man don't team Mahabisia or Benamatia looking. See, that'll get a cow door where who boo, but the kind of deal with Juni, being poor in the Mediterranean. Come on, don't I watch it? Mego yimbe matek kwa yitika beye ene meditika do ye chakitin dong prof do charo ping eni de da ho nyingi wa nyi dong lui da ho to tika do da ho to no mapon do ka kachwa never say ni gimiti ki cho American ka habene gimiti ki wati ya ha gini koti ning tini kotiro ni bichero ai kwa ti dong mere la kiremo ba wati ka hane benuna tigi kimego anangeni ko benwa ti mapon why protect? And I watch the cow at America or Kampala. Other more charm money to get that would make go on a chim. And again, do not tell you go, you do not real teaching man of dong doctrine. Do not break Kumedong, no dong at Magochim dong pay. He will tell by Daruchim. And again, one medic Kubeki Mego. And I'm an pay body no namane. Me wehi ibeti kubeke ibeka di shunye we ka mente abedi eni be mabe neighbors when matikan professor do eno o gang eni gi war ibet mabe di madam matikan je matitunga professor kan gi work ame go chero Kampala eni dong neighbors matikan meneno gonga andong pa lo lok mapol eno lok eni ambe na be ya foi matek wano yaki Kampala the word out you professor grau chene mama no tiana ngedo enda bi mi bon mego me konyo je mo ma no tie o ba me polo gi bi ugu mate
matek man lu biro magen go tiu ka chel ke miele na kerere ku ber ka pon re twan tik panele tu ber ka tik ke ka chel wa de matut ma pol ya yom ne an wa ne per pedong dikobe yen wan wangeo leptong mape wane no tiong business me yam mo pe ne mo luanu ke me ba ni dong cha ko mape ti kar ma chero ke mega mo wa ti ati ti kar mo ne mega ni 10 million ne ken wa ya this is less than 1%. Peramo for the business cha pe yi se te me ki no ka ti ti witness no tiong business me yam afoy Wameda nyim Baluo a representative from Karamoja region ako bino wajimo representative from Karamoja region ano na dit kakara na di kenyo and mo look on behalf of Karamoja region want to recognize your presence. Yes.
I acknowledge the presence of the Chief Justice. Celebrants, I've already introduced myself. I was talking to Professor Engineer there who said Bruno Ronnie Max Wakaya was the first Karamojo to become professor. The first Karamojo. In Agago here we have relatives. Bruno, here we have relatives. But on the serious note, you heard what Bruno read. That Professor Wakaya was very instrumental in the education of most of the Karamjong you see today. who are well placed. A very, very arrogant G. You have seen our elder there, David Modi. Not a young man, but you can see. And that's what Professor Bruno was like. I was talking to Honorable Pre. You see the name Chigamoy the other day when we were at the video. I was wondering, the Chief Justice is from Agago, but he's also called Chigamoy. In Arimojong, Chiga is someone who is picky, who is particular. And that is what Bruno was. That's what Professor Kaya was. And he used to pride himself before his colleagues, the professors. At Wandeke, he had a small place at Wandeke. And each time I appear, I would be the only one seated with him. He would introduce me as his younger brother. But also go further to say, you see, this general here is my subject because Logumale was the king of Karamoja. And you cannot be a king of Karamoja if you are not a Karimojongoi. Now, I did not hear the introduction of the young man there. What name was introduced? His names are Lochemem Elugore Peri Agogo. Those are the names of that young man, the son of Professor Bruno. Lochemem means it's like a massage. Like massage. That's the meaning of Lochemem. So mine is really to come and celebrate the life of our brother, the late Professor Kaya. Every one of us here has his day. I imagine I still have a contract with God. I don't know the validity of the contract, but I think it is still, I still have some time to go. And when your time comes, please just go quietly. Those of us who think about other things, well, it's up to you. But Bruno and I lived our life well. And we enjoyed whatever we did to the extreme. So that is why I came through Kapelebion and the road is, I don't know whether you can even call it a road. I took 3 hours from Soroti to Abim. 3 hours. That's short. And you have chairman LC5 in those districts for coming to escort our brother, Professor Utaya. And let me now hand over this microphone to the chair of the Karamoja Parliamentary Group, Honorable Remijo Chokon Achi.
Thank you. I also humbly recognize the presence of Chief Justice, Dr. Tuno, the friends of and colleagues of Dr. Bruno Chaya, all of us present, my colleague, the Member of Parliament for this area. My name is Remijo Achia, Member of Parliament for Pian. I also double as the chairman of the 26 members of Parliament of the Karamaja region. Obviously, all of them are NRM. I am also the deputy chairman of the budget committee of the Parliament of Uganda. And you will not hear my name anyway. I have not stolen anything. You have heard the story before. So, Professor Bruno Chaya is both a friend, a mentor, a lecturer, a neighbor, a trainer. I came to know Bruno Chaya when I joined Makerere University in the 1992-93 intake. And later on, being a Karamojong, obviously we knew he was the one there representing us. I joined the School of Statistics and Applied Economics, where a professor has been teaching. And in one acre flat, I happened to have then fiancé in Block C. And whenever I would come to see my girlfriend, who is now my wife, Jane Francis Akodo, the EPP, I used to go and hang around in the apartment. I see Mama here, Mama knows me and the girls. Everybody knows me. I used to come and take breakfast there. But the intention was not really breakfast. There was another intention. Thank you for welcoming me all the time. And he came to like me. He came to mentor me. And I also happened to be doing very well in the School of Statistics. Later on in life, he encouraged me to go for further studies. When I came back and joined politics, I continued to interact with him. Dr. There says, Dr. Dur and others have said, he has written a lot of manuscripts. I'm sure all of you know the volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, volume 4 of econometrics. Behind those books, I was often the typist and the editor. And I have copies of those books. In case you lose them, I also have copies. And I enjoyed working with him. And I learned more every day, econometrics, although I done it in my master's. When I joined politics in 2006, later in 2016, my party appointed me the chairman of the parliamentary pension scheme. And there was nobody else I would think of to come and support that young scheme, the parliamentary pension scheme. It's a circle of members of parliament where they contribute money monthly in order if in future when they leave parliament, when their votes are not enough to take them back, they can either take that money or earn a pension. And I co-opted Professor Bruno Shea to be the member of the investment committee. And tell you, he changed the face of investment in that pension scheme. He brought a number of reforms. He managed to support us and me as the chair for the 5 years. And we grew the parliamentary pension scheme from 104 billion to 400 billion. He invested in Umeme, in Safaricom, in treasury bills, treasury bonds. He knew the stuff. He did very well. And members of parliament will remember him for being very aggressive, very direct, very proud, and he would tell you of, say, Mr. Chairman, what are you talking about? Some of you should learn things. He would tell me, you mean you don't know this and you are sharing and you are handling people's money? It is done like this and this. You understand? Yes, go and do it. And that is him. Great. And we enjoyed working with him. That's Professor Bruno Shea. And in a special way, I want to recognize ESOB, Honorable Sam Pereira. I don't know, he's not very sickly, but maybe he would want to say a word for ESOB. He came all the way from Morocco to bury his classmate.
It is not late to give condolence to the family of the bereaved family of Ojaya, Chief Justice and the Chairman of the Parliamentary Group. I was in Senior 1, 69, and in 72 we set for the O level. So, my purpose of coming is to recognize him. And I am, by the way, I'm the doctor also. He assisted me to write the thesis, the dissertation in this scheme. So, Mr. Kochaya was always meeting me at one day here. That's the place I used to meet him. And we were talking the language of the senior. We were talking the English of Karamoja. We were all the time. He was called Obumale, means tree. He had a stick, he had what? And he was showing me his daughters. So I'm very sorry that Mr. Bruno left us earlier. We expected Amia to come and thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Let me conclude, but I cannot conclude without calling a representative of parliamentary pension scheme who has a message from the scheme where Bruno served, and I will ask him to come and read the message from the board of directors of the parliamentary pension scheme and hand the condolence message to the family. To the family, my sisters, please take heart, be strong. Mom is there. Be strong as you have always been. Daddy lives in all our hearts. He lived with clear messages and he was very clear, very direct. There is no way I can never forget all that he said to me. And I'm sure it is the same with you. Let's keep together.
Thank you, Honorable. My Lord, the Chief Justice, fellow monarchs, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Francis Epetite. Anado Dano Mengora, Ento, Ranyo Lebachuli Maber, mathematician. I represent the former members of parliament in the Parliamentary Pension Scheme Board, having served as a parliamentarian from 2001 to 2016. I would like to thank my colleague, the Honorable Remigio, for elaborating on what we benefited from Professor Bruno Chaya. He actually used to lecture to the board. We had good capacity now to handle these people called the fund managers. Sometimes they would come and make reports with the funny jargon, but we quickly caught up because of the mentorship that we received from Professor Bruno Ochaya. I bring you condolence message from the board, and I would like to read it verbatim. To the family of late Professor Bruno Ronimax Ochaya, condolence message. On behalf of the Board of Trustees of the Parliamentary Pension Scheme, and on my own behalf, I wish to extend our heartfelt condolences to you. We were deeply shocked to hear of the sudden and untimely demise of Professor Ochaya Bruno. The late was a co-opted member of the Investment and Custody Committee of the Parliamentary Pension Scheme, and the Board of Trustees is saddened by his loss. The Parliamentary Pension Scheme has contributed 2 million Uganda shillings towards the funeral expenses, and may the Almighty God strengthen you through this trying moment, and may the deceased soul rest in eternal peace. Signed, Arinaitwe Wakajara, MP and Chairman, the Board of Trustees. Wando kwayo kwanga, Kieto Chwinyi, Ikabedo Mekuch, Apoyo.
Oye matek wamiyo kare jo mago bedo niele ki Karamoja. Apoyo matek ulogo mapol da open mapecho. Ichane waluo Moncom Malo District Magago Main Kong Tikan Wakan Bin Kulo Moncom Juli Apoyo Biro Karibeke Dwa Atau Mama Tekutol Kemuan kepada Pasien ke waktu ni pada Apoyo.
Kuch mara pena kami ke Bruno Board. Bahkan mengikut. Jadi Pak Romatit, konsi nomor tudong, kita diweng, mau kali kedua program lokal ten pada cara wala kunjwa, Chief Justice ni Uganda, Ambassador Lara Turu, MPs weng nanti kong tunggu aku kamu lupunya memang kerja di university, hotel ruang bisa murah. Kita ini kerja Wang pino kan kapuan itu, ni pun saya, upaya tertingkat kemudian biar bisa lebih biar, kata ni, lo kompun saya, mana dong lagi kawan ni, rente kado di universiti, itu gimana timo, orang timo kuan. Mirna tit madam tek madam kwan yen chal en chal da mo kwan kima kanu di yo toro ke no ke ver ke dano ni dano miri ni kwan la yo ka me wa ye anda tinggal cie ikim to me no mi akero miri ni kwan no ginen kwan na punya ni ma apero ko wi pitch ma ete elevo arte na high school no Dr. Kiri John Tikuno Dr. Kiri ante anani Tiki Kuno at the beginning of the term that law combination ande na ngabla komega Dr. Kiri wajid no, Bruno Chai wajid down for economics. If you might change your combination, please, for goodness sake, let economics remain in your combination. And Dr. But I'm going to acquire economics. I share okay, what my career. I used to consult him. He mentored me. I don't want to buy no wrong children. What is that? Ini kuan matek, mi roti wa makata ni kuan matek. Mereka mau cari oye, mungkin tu nuwo, wanita patong, mau cari berkani. Watiu kuan mau cari, watiu mungkin mau cari piun. Yupun roti wa, cari tu berkini kan berkuan dia yang urilah cerok keriu ni apa kacang. Tidak punu, ini mau macam ini dong, macam kerja orang dok kerja orang. Jadi yang tinggi. Apa yang kelak mapol? She will adhere to the family, to the children of Jaya Bruno. Akelo, take my message, disseminate it to those who are not here. The minimum requirement, the minimum academic requirement in your family to be PhD. That's the minimum. And remember, in your suitcase, when you are returning from the United States of America, your suitcase must contain 2 PhD degree certificates. So if you do that, you will actually listen to your father, you will have paid him back. That is the only payment you can make for Bruno. And for Danaway, for Dr. Lonzi, there was also a young man who used to go to Bruno to consult. I saw him, he came all the way from Morocco. Look, where did I see him? Very senior chief administrative officer, all the way from Morocco, Apoyo. Yes. I greet all of you, I welcome all of you from Karamoja. I was there 2 days ago. You promised you are coming and you have come. Thank you so much. Kaca me dok tirong, lupa me pol mu kirukan, udah buka kita mati, lupa me dugum. Kemiana, pero ilmu honorable, nem parliament for Gabu County, honorable David, again, atoka to Omar, please come and talk to the monks.
For Yesu Kristo, Provibe, Karedujo, for your Matak Ye or Paul at Church, Venio Martin, very white Pajakai, the Lega, Middle of World War, Professor Bruno, Malachi Pajan. Tadi Tika General Motor Lega, Iduli, Golkoma Dit, the Uganda, Mati Kimakai, the Dit Dr. Lara Tudo, the Wara, the member of the Parliament, Magitikai, Lukwan Madon, the Roman Professor. Patiki Wakai, Public Executive Mary, Pela Maping, Megina, Babina, Aramor, when Yesu Christo. Your mapping one, and again the Viratora, till a man of the Parliament, Matung, Pijuagago County, and Mokochik, the Parliament, Uganda. We were for a church Neo Martin, Piquopa Professor Bruno Chaya, Martin La Church, Ugorwaka Chilkain, Piluone, Pipuno Caribe, Kapoyo teach, Mapat Patna Aerobic Ture Novokain. Biru wakai no berulo ma professor yulo wakai. Yomokel no paramo e paton, no perepe e o paton ti dunque. Ero tiche, be tiche, ripene, berugidan, where you are one to pit down a good time. You know, don't take your phone like it and Matada to be motive. A me la forma textual otto meio cachil cretino. Mamma me la forma text petit me tu. Le guaco musée na Hawaii to. Lenga la tweet come di come tira da petit me tu. Me la forma Biru kara kacil ki kumiri tu yom magil yom na rani yom mati tu biru pa. Kacil sumekum mati potu. Arati lok malam det mamewa jane. Nero mati ni nero benero mapoywa jome mabeyo. Wekwa wa ilobo kuben mabe. Wan watia kano utega amukwano mateka rebe uti ukwane wilo. Mobero machala nyut madit. Yo mo puyogi ti kimbakain manego berka lokpere. Yo bukene pekain. Put mo choyo ti yamo maduong. Maputi ka mede ki konyo dano, dokpero bi konyo dano. Pikwo malach. Dul me gang kwan matong mapat tiga tikwe chot mo berka choy na puto ni upoy man jome mapego mapigi tay gina chil mapira tek wala diru tiu kila tudu kwa niki kuona ele kwan ma eno kwan pro kwana ti ken chiu gikenyo mechi ukere tich me konyo kara konyo Uganda konyo joma papa mangi na chel mapira tek ma eno tiye nede tien ti daro ki kwano ento jomu kere kwano ti peru nyek ti kwangi eno la diti tu peru nyek ti kwanne we okonyo joma duong ngete bena tia konyo university ma papa mangi mapira tek mamera pola twiti en makere en ko chero jeme ma eno were logo bilogo matwa ko pira terare kwan ma eno kwano bere po kwano me meto loyo ke po aboro gi kombe wa tikle tiro maduong magiti akwan kikwanyo kosmore ni pian chente dilie kikwanyo kosmore pian chente nongeye chiwe okaw do tich chino tich potiro mabe kombe wa ti orien maduong kene odakamo kene mati oria ukwano minongo chente eno twin me konyo dano no ruwenye no mantere penye ukinde gwako lupuwe penye kipe konyo loma konyo let lokma lo ki dano no lo lokma raja reda chi wanye mano daktamo kwala ka ukwano nyit eno twin me konyo dano peye yen mero chente kamera pola dit ba en watia ketu nene ne kwano nyit me konyo dano kituye duk eno peye miri ne chente we ora lego lo puonjo mapat ruom mapat ni puonjo le tiro wa kake chere gang kwan chente pege kwana nyech ka yino chi kere ti chikeli gi manyine nero chi wa be pero no lobo kan pero mapat ni ario atawo gi mapira te kare ma ara ti chu la dit en mawati akirona ngom enini Wano kwere chin. Chu waitagi na chin mapira te. Ni en ini kiro kachu me kwa nyolwa. Ero gina chin mamira wechi dok bire luen pira mate. Ere na ni kuit ubero ti ya dago. Bena no lokpa umege wamati maro ini ni utiye mate. Wat mate ubeti kuit ubeti mapira te arida. Lowe matak pada. Suwe ada dino wapere ka lowe matak na wapombere kurwa tia mede kwere. Sabit ele wapere kutidu. Kilo memo me pala me madwong mapapa. Ludire moi third division fifth division kanane kuch ikinkara moja ka churi uberu tie ka uberu ne king ke wano kirane. Balego omege na ke Lieutenant General Mati Kimakai Woti teach madon me atia matatu kwa kache kumera wankom wakara moja Parliamentary Association Utigi teach matek imaro boro mege wati kuja Mene no ripeti ratek Beiru ka achila yikong logo madip pechente Ene wa kidano kiperu kidano Kikuwa kidano ene logo madip maloto wilo Wao nero wat eno le kitara moja kubetie yen wanao do watiki wakan kumbiri wat eno le nero wamete kwe wat eno nero watui kubed mate wera yira mati oda kanye waruenyo le mwen wek wanen lokom down lowo wanen lokom puch wanen lokom alala me pasi ere gil mapira tek ko nero wabete kanana endendo Yan put watigi pero maro kuya matera reda. Kamera liku umegena mo aki maro wat dong en wan dong wat wana chi wan le tiro parba wan wakte Uganda mir wale chi wakache mena kuch pima idao lobo beru tikwa. Chibi beru matera reda. Loka me agikine kada chirga wajana Amera ti twin oto kibama kere tiro duch. La bit professor koma ye eno en putwa we okuri makwo ti lobo kuri makwo ini berikima leno kwere professor mukene dokti biro professor mukene dikal kai ti biro makala kala peye tiro ma professor we lobo ne tiro ma riek mokwiri dokber ginu nena nyimate arada Kit ma ara ngeo kere dok kit ma neo kere. Ero wego tal, ubero titwa luak ma watire wa chung kere tiro ene. Mera o meo poin me, mera o meo tam me. Mera mo tiu gibera o tiu nete. Ara ngeo lok liel duong. Dok bere ki kalme liel down lok ma duong. Ero kutwara duya chila ria dek. Down wego ni man. Ero la choy tikwedo ma probai ni king chung kero bai chok wet wat matine ko bed wat ko tre ara po yo matek twal Beri beli matin lu tua bo ake tuak ping mapat. Bebiro kanano nei wakano umenwa wonwa hima iyong tweet be ala church. Walego berene rubai kumeru gum matit kutuan begin mawuru tiu pene matin. Opo la church meru gum. Mapi ano aberu ping ye where John the date mamewa more train a date Professor Dr. Lara Turo. Or being kind, they yak to one lock the bed, or a woman better quick game, lock the right to buy your bill of bear, but they'll apart. Point a trip again, or what you want, I don't end the logo, a date but date, I will come the lock of the point.
Mego ki lutino me apta dit Monsignor ki lutela me ot lega bangutela wa ilega matin Omera Chigamoy the dit Chief Justice me Uganda lutela ma pat yo magiti of the chief Wakome Gago Punya madam, me Makerere University, Ine Guru University. Lutwa me patan ke agago poi wu aboru wu. Arangeo Omera Bruno atiba ne kila anam. Maano na ti America and bino kare ki kare ka chok the World Bank. Kajoke the United Nations, Sibiru Lima, Wabiru Ping, Wabiru Tam, Wabodo, Mary Karma, Umera, Dr. John Alfonso Kidi, in a room attack to trial the anti-World Bank to Washington, D.C. Chidong, Aerobiru Dano, Makwiri, man met agony. Berudan Maria, Yellow Magiquano P. book from one P. Artilage. Berudan Maparo P. Pajo and Uma Ojang, Nich to be made my truth. Nich me don logo. Nich me kelo, yo me kelo limiting dano. Yo Miriam Mochan, Kilemur Piloni economics. Enter economics, ye that. Eno yero, ma ene tek manuang malo dutuni. My lemur Piloni econometrics. Yo man no adad yegi teme ti econometrics. In econometrics, Uberu charu chura irwam mayam peya iwinyo. Ento mero Bruno ukeme NTN because we need book magi tikwe university de poinadano. Ani volume achel, volume ario, volume de three econometrics ba. And economy na chura, keken formula ba ni. And I yell joyo. So everybody down my react, down my track, down on my PM. To take a window away. Vera Bruno. Wapui to 12 people wiwa. Wapui pinyutulanen mabe. Me yabuyo, chibuyo, pijo magudoyi. Wapui pipi la kere yutukwiri vero kitela pakaramewa ini wot kikuj wot kideo wot mawi tek tipi la dogi lego la chwekni ujoli ikabero mekuj Nantini ereni wati kanwaro Vera Bruno, ento benefit ma winyo kiko la dit monsenyo tio min wa won wa mo kene ma beno ti ka tek dana ma kwiri dana ma mar pajo bila tela ya chuli ki Uganda long la dit Ambrose Okulu akona a pia cha pia chiel kila kanam wiro po bene pie Manten lokeni jo mamewa magikwiri magin lutela magupilu wiwa itika mola Chidong wa penye ni gin madong ko bini kuchiro kayue kuchobo tikmeki kuchobo be Anga gi matika dubu kogi Uje madipa Ini ngeji dang pera Kan ini jamu waro kit madong Lobo no miro waro pera makoche uchodo atura Ni history mamewa No miro mera Bruno Uwek dan maramo ulupe piera rio muchwing inge Matek no tipi mwakama like No miro uminwa kiwon ma Ambrose Okulu wek dan marama pa inge Ede kupini kai neno ngeji pili wow Chitwolo Umanaj pape wache Atien lokeni Pini yam Imakerere University no jo magi puno chalo mera Bruno Kiduata Professor Dean Senior Lecturer Jo magi chi Doctor Kiduata Jo magi chi Engineer Jo magi chi Machalo Lutera Benmiri Magi chi Mugi Pikwiri Kiluongi Permanent Secretary Commissioner Under Secretary Mago kikoto kanyo Kiduata Kiduongi lo karamo kena Weng Kita berwan wa peduong. Ento company. Nero bere puja. Nyapa Professor Odonga. Nera ngapu kere ku piru wiwa mawache ko. Kakama ni nye Afrika long. Enen man. Ento company. Wakie kamarad. Machalo kamarad. Actually dong. Pereba. Uwi na mabe. Penny diri beru pere, penny chok luing, actually dong pere, wa luing, wa ket, wa la nye, uti batida, wa la nye, do actually Miami no yue. Mano ki woro, mano ki lutera, magi luore wilo golong pe Uganda keken dong pere. Enda yo we otin kawaroro minwa, umirwa penye ni banya ngo ma eno we nye, eno chubu wote, chubu mabe na watiko. Umirwa Ambrose peru chubu wote, eno wanda wa dong ni bana ngo magingu weri wiwa. Enda ye wero mera chiga ngoi ki an ki jo mokene magori kuchin kwedwa. Ubere ka wili piki moi magiduoni gore me pom duon rocho pajo. Wero wachako yum malalami enuni. Me wajo ni wan machalo kara gimono timme mapek malit. Malik, mawele kok di wo kiti cheng. Ngomau miro watim me a kibu mawalui ni yeng. Kitin na golpa omera Bruno wati wa jemi ya dek. Ukwa ero bedo kikero ikwiri kiriao mutemo ni piano no puon muramo mapek muchwin ki art makinyare ene ki jikal ma eno doye ki wang o pa wone ki pamine gi ki gani pero puonye mapaja pere tek ko be dong pere ki dong gong ge talule ki maginero Umiro wa ruchi en puonye ni enu ni mumine kwiri monini. Merio en chiro kikwiri ma upuonyo gankal ikikal tiwang o meri wiye rieo me otkilat kwan ma aki buk o meri wiye kombeti kwan enoni uporo oto urwenye woti botwa abi la bol ma check again Wara Pierre la wo mai da waje bon the Chief Justice Kibora imagine que tiene University de Nairobi pero que University de Nairobi do nyen do que no putini Dalo ma aki ka ma mewa kan imwa achien na dino do nani da ye Pierre bi Mago do University de Nairobi ki ka ni da Pierre bi and the wo mai da Vice Chancellor of Guru University, what one again don't go the faculty medicine. Professor Lonzi Punu. Any faculty, any year you and Guru University faculty medicine, my doctor, again the Panu and the doctor. And the king down Pierre Bor, Magigamo, Wanatimwana. Kachiel, the king down Pierre Bor, Aki, Kawana Kombigu. Kutika winya mera yeruo madong wa poro wa luiny wa rwenyo anywhere tinde ma more pongdo wa chumir wa tiki kwok matino mero to kwani ya churi mero tukul ma yamo no tiki tero gidon ko beti oduom no tibere menano ni wan tipelo ma wati ya ni wati tipelo Nini chenda kati chingwa, nini garo tima di. Ento wati kirika wa garo. Kirika kerupe. Ni nyuro ni wa miro ni. Omera Bruno. Kiambro so puru bukene. Buka tiki botwa. Miro wa chaki cha. Mama tiri ma wa keru gimo ye. Wan duju ye choli. Mante mucho. Keru giri. Irwam mai wini chuni ni mlere keru. Nini wa. Professor Lonzi tika kwenye wide teach and luo ni there kwan. Me ario wadi ni meno umiero wado uchien warochu doro kanywa. Mumi eno pero kwe ma wadi ni fuj mauno ki mauno ki wang no ki jikan na peo chiro keri gangkwan meri wiye Dikalbe mere mupong tiko pini enu ta obotwa wachwa rochu doro pade kuma county dunyoro pechoro tena county dikal county wan Idem na te kema pere te winman mabe Monsignor na nero wajo ni kitwa nero wa tichwa Ola kero wando pechuni. Nyego mai chwinywa. Tala mai oro. Chon chwinywa. Ewa miro nen kimo mabe bodu wotwa. Kuo! Nakadero wini monsinyo wado. Kuo! Kiri porpa la wori. Nyimpa la wori. Kipa yang waya chuli dong kime kaweng meni unduchu. Yam được tiro wa di tiro ko me namo kupiri wan wa do dong gang kai me mat alan mat mani we kuye kumi kawe ya chuli komedi kawe ya chuli yam wan lo kire dal Professor Bruno titika ti bakore wa ti ko ma ko nen madaro poyo kupiri wa do white com pe wa mira wa guti no amira no yo mama chieri me no di me jaba la bo kwa la bo ti mara ya chuli ma ko be wa ti ye ba awura kin pajo yama wano do e wini ni ngati mo ki wolo pinda pinyuro kom dan miel tiko tino kamabo ento kombedi awula nebolu wotwala bon tien lok fole me nyero do toje me ni utuchu kombedi ni la ngomo do tien tira da do pere botwa mo e jono pe do tela wini na nenwe ni tira ti no me da kiru tamu chana ero wea jowa du bedo tere ruoma papa no kiti mando wa pere kwele wea pongro wa dani achaki me wot manyen du tua achaki me rocho pajwa rocho kara e ba dog dano dojo wa do churu dojo ye kid ma dit monsenyo wa do la kokitwa tira wina wa ngara chia me la kokire me lo tuine me la onero ne me na wore ki wang me wang me nyero ki chol tuin tira wina wa ti kongro wa ti we me no tin me o miero wa bai wa pora ming pora ming ro ti wang no wore ni en lego kuda ana lego kan en to un pijo pa Cristo en man alan con Cristo un wente pa Cristo en mo pu de wuni o dag lu wotu be timono kala kui com lu wotu gitu pijo pa Cristo wa de ni kini yini be te bie i bie ne ko NRM DP UPC be balo yini ye yini Bibie mai rebellie war duju entro wa report men when you come to party wa ni ko yimpa yera ko yimpa temo ayera pere entro wa ten quote men when you come to party entro pa ni peo we opinwa yama mi nego dano potin che me ti atoli pa yera ti patero peo po Why the man DP, man UPC, no, you know, where they were deep, Peramacobi, Judy Nimwani, Umiro Watero Poor. Tina Dikine, Pongro Wadini, one Kara any company. When you made all of King Wa. Jemmy didn't Miami at Tracor and you, Tracor Gamenta, Tracor and Parliament. But all King Wa. Pongoni wa lock ni enemy. Bishop uchola wachi wa nuoye tani. Yobi kao poribu madu. Anye unagago dong kila mahal. Anga kiru matwero yene yobi kibu bini mutera. Anga teka indirno teka no. Ero bishop uchola wachi yobi tobe toi bu ni. Obetimu jami weng matwere Tika yidi worki a Tika delpre worki put Tika remoni tir Wang mau biru chi uporo iwite Tira kere Mene kama choli chi ye kombeti Umiro wan ki goro wan ki pera ma wati ki chan ma wati ye Watut me yileki te gu ma wati ye ni wa bin iwitera do ma ko chiro bo do mo kan ni ko ko ni wa ko lo ba mana na uwi na wa yo ti da le u twani ka wa dok ai de tin u dok pilot ka u tamo u po pio min wa Bruno u luon manni Ubeti panya money, kau po pedi ambro kulu, uluan money, kipanya money. Ne wajini amor ngoma mira tin, kediri tin. We aja work manyen, matwero pero wa kideo, iti malu biro ni gutio, kila nempa gitu. Uwina wai, uwina mabe, uye wai. Apo ewu na tuido goku, apo ewu na Boy, would try. China yom tutwal, Medwo ngap magwan kom wagum. Machala chuli ne bedo ki ani kinwa. And don't pepa chuli. And pa Uganda long. And don't tell a tela kilu tela dek magina gidoro lo me Uganda. Magidoro lo me Uganda kimalo kunu. Ye president won't come up to the ship. Kila ngol kop ma deep me Uganda. One kom wagum ni en arachiel kin jadek madoro Uganda ni en latin tua a kibot wakan a beneki patong kan ne kon gumba koma wati dia wa amadi tutwan pien gom jomo keni kinu penyeyo ni je makobe en tiga tiyu ne matala tera me Uganda me la hokit ma kitoro kwere ko me kero kot madoi kin ping wa chip chok bodan mai charo we ada betie ikot ma papa tipot ngol kok dano wen di logo pitigmenti ka tine wan wa tie kya wa ama dik to twal pitigmenti ka tine ento o min wa mado Uganda ni petie ni no ma chiel ma wil kama ene akie mayu nge tere mena ni pado chini ni en wina rem dit begin matika timekade chum kwed wakare duchu punyo wakare duchu ma eneni te wanen kite wiwa man gum madit mala chojo mi bot wa cha mira mi koj madit nyimu borumera Chicamoy Alfonso Windolo Wundero mirwa mete melego pire ni la chudo miro mete kero mete riero mete yokomo mete tera Tunywa yom pali tin antiquedwa ubino kami wal boro binwa Bruno chidong tunya yom memi yutal bore werulo kilutugi Mera Chicamoy we love you too.
Wateke Rurempa Bruno Dor, we want to recognize their presence, the friends of the Dor from Kampala, Dor Bruno. Please, you have a message to the widow. If you could attend very fast, you are going to give that permission. Yes, you send this side and you give the Man Rurempa Dor Bruno, Mage Bere I Kampala. Ofoya.
Thank you so much. I'd like to greet everybody who is here at Samona. My name is Judith Among. I come from Teso, particularly in Kenya, and I'm also a lecturer in Makerere University Business School. I'd like to thank everyone who has given a speech before. It has been good to hear different Mona's messages. And I would like to take this opportunity before I introduce my team here to share. It's not easy. The person who has just finished talking is Olaro. I would like to address you as Professor Olaro. For my fraternity, professors from Makerere University, I don't know, this is food for thought for us. Why can't we take Professor Olaro Tunu back with us there in the university? Much as he has his own interests, but one biggest opportunity for him to share and continue passing the message of his strength to so many is to take him back to class as a lecturer. That is food for thought for us in academia. So Professor Olaro Tunu could actually come back to the university, but we don't stop him from pursuing his other interests. I'm here again as Uncle Bruno's friend, and in front of me here all are Uncle Bruno's. Allow me to address him as Uncle Bruno, the living Bruno who is seated there. We are everyday friends of Uncle Bruno. Since late Professor Chaya Bruno passed on, we have been with the living Bruno every day. It has not been an easy journey, you know, as we try to be friends of every day in our everyday life. And then all of a sudden, Professor, our Mr. Bruno, okay. You know what it means. You're happy, but your mother's baby is sleeping in a funeral home. It has not been an easy one. And where Mr. Bruno, his team has been listening to you very much. His words used to be, you people, I need company. That used to be his common words for all this season. And you know how the team is also busy and you have to be with him. So Mr. Bruno, we are here to complete this journey with you. To the grieving family, death is for every living thing. We people, animals, and plants. Do not allow grief to run you off. Share your grief with people who have been in similar situations before. Somebody is stamping feet here near me that I should stop and give opportunity to others also to say thank you.
Thank you very much, Reverend Bruno. You have the next.
Monsignor Matthew, who with fellow clergy conducted this week of Mass. The family of Bruno Chaya, the family of the elder Bruno, our Honorable Member of Parliament, the incumbent, the former, the team from Makerere University, friends of Bruno, the late, Wonkome District, Pirutala Woody Wang, Lokwera Gon, Ambassador Larotono, Utalawigi, Yumatinani, Wundutua Weng, Udul Mapapa, the Roma Papa, Natalu Wedi, Natalu Reng, Natalu Kajo, Pierre Wanyale. Abi gwero kong maditi kile mono, upolo kada logo manolo tuawino. For those who do not understand Luo, let me say briefly, one, we thank you for traveling the distance you've covered to come and see Bruno Chaya laid to his final resting place. A lot has been said since he passed on about who Bruno Chaya was. I speak in my capacity as a fellow homeboy and then as a personal friend. He, Martin Onyatola, who comes from Palabek, now works in Addis Ababa, and then I, the three of us never called ourselves by our name. We just called ourselves Goiwia. General Nakara, the name Goiwia, or the family, where is General Nakara? Yes. Those bad brothers of yours, I know you can say General Consent. When they say the husband of my friend, the husband of the DPP, was put in the right place because we do not steal money. We do not take money, public funds. We only take money we've sweated from. That's the typical Luo, typical Northerner. You do not hear us being named in those scandals. I whispered to somebody, it was a very loud whisper. I think Honorable Aborapiri had me, we were in parliament with him. I said, if there were cows in parliament, this man would have stolen cows. That's what I said. But in the budget, there's only money. So that's the joke I made. So the name Goiwia, during that bad period, 1986 to 90, a very bad period of raids, where a Carmelon, because they will not understand the language very well, so they would speak in opposites. Like saying, I'm going to hit you on your head. He would say, pointing at you, I'm going to hit me on my head instead. Because they will not understand the word very well. So I go here, instead of saying I go we, I'm going to hit your head, they will say I go here. So we found it really interesting and we called ourselves Goiwia. So for me today, I came to buy one of the three Goiwia. I don't know who will be next, but we are still remaining two of us. Even in our variant fora, we call ourselves Goiwia. That's how closely knit we've been. An account was given here about Goiwia's educational background. I think they did not do justice. Bruno Tao, you did not do justice. You don't begin talking about the tree from the branch. You begin from the roots. Bruno Chaya came to Acholi, and that's why the Karmajong are close to him. You need to understand. He came here when he was already in senior 2. That's when he joined this family. He grew up in Karamoja. He studied in Losilang. I don't think he had heard of any secondary school apart from Moroto High, and then went to Moroto High. He thought he had gone very far. And Losilang was one of the top private schools, pre-secondary schools in Uganda, not just northern Uganda or Karamoja. You know who the headmaster and the mathematics teacher was? If you talk about Bruno Chaya's econometrics, it was Odon Adal from Ligiligi. That's why it is important to speak from the roots. His headmaster, his teacher, Odon Adal from Ligiligi. Then he went to Old Kampala for A-level and joined Makerere University. When I really heard about Bruno and now take interest in him, when you talk about mentoring, you see people talk about mentoring and think you only mentor when you get in touch with someone and tell him do this. Many of the mentoring, we don't even know the people we mentor. The people we inspire, that's mentoring. People who aspire to achieve what you have achieved. That one you can't count, you will never know them. If one of them will stand up and say, I heard that he did this, so I strive to do this. When I heard I was in, I don't know whether I was in A-level or about to finish O-level, that Bruno Chaya got a first class in economics. And then I paid attention. I really paid attention. And when he would come home, we would now pay him a visit to know this one, because first class is not a simple thing. It means you are cleverer than the teacher who teaches you. That's what it means. It is like you set the examination, you are the one who set it, and then you sit to do it. That's what first class means, and that's what Bruno Chaya got, and I thought this needs to be told. Then we went to Australia Latrobe with Okela Yare. I don't know where Okela Yare is. At one time he worked from where, no, I think he teaches in UCU now. And another person who was in government, who was in cabinet as economic advisor to the president and went back to the faculty. He's from Western Uganda, I forget his name. Come again? Come again? Who? Suruma. No, not Suruma. With the Rwandese name. He must have come from Kisoro. I forgot. Now, then we became very close. The Bruno Chaya I know was not given to petty talks. But you will never be Bruno Chaya's friend if you indulge in petty talks. You come to say, the other person is so bad, the other person is this, you will not continue and finish that sentence. That's Bruno Chaya. I saw with so many people, and I knew he was the right person. To a point where you might think Bruno Chaya was a very difficult person. He was not. He simply wanted the right thing to be done, and he wanted everybody to progress. One thing which everybody said about him, which I agree, he was not mean with this knowledge. He did not want to shine alone. He was not like other people I know, even from area, who always chest stamping. I am professor, I am this. No. But he was exceedingly brilliant. Exceedingly brilliant. And yet self-discipline. Bruno Chaya could take alcohol. And then if something came to be done, you would think it was a teetotaler. He would not touch alcohol for 6 months because he was onto something. Very rare for people, by the way. There's this story of Mr. Hyde and Jekyll and Hyde. It could be a Jekyll today and be a Hyde tomorrow. When it was time for relaxation, then he would enjoy his alcohol. And if it was anything educational, Bruno Chaya would never tell you no. I talk from personal experience. Like his nephew, he would always say, go here. You invest in securities. This one which the other man was saying air. In Uganda, when you say air, means you supply nothing. So he was investing in securities. For me, I say no, I'd rather invest in land. We never concluded that conversation. I said, for me, you buy land now, You come back 1 month later, the value has gone up. Then I would say, my friend, the day those security things crash, you'll come and find me on my land. But we never concluded. Now it's not there. Maybe I will now continue with the chairman, that conversation. Because for me, I did elementary economics. I did only in A level. So that was my friend, Bruno Chaya, whose memory will remain. Those who knew him from the outside, but those of us who knew him right inside his heart, knew his mind, who can speak with utmost authority of who he was and what he has left behind. But I thank you for coming to honor him for what he did for God's people. Now I want to speak in Luo to my people, and that resonates with what Ambassador Larotun was saying here. That this place that produced Bruno Chaya and other great names, national names, global names. We don't know when they will next, out of education, produce another Bruno Chaya, another Professor Ghana, another Court Beater, another John and home who would step up and everybody saying, we will whisk you out of the country. Say, no. How about God's flock? How many of you can do that? How many of us can do that? So that is the mission, the revival mission, the revival movement which God has sent Ambassador Larotun to proclaim in this land. For me, I'm just a follower, a very loyal follower. I untie his shoelaces for him, untie it back. That is what God has done. And that's the story. What you are saying in 30 minutes, that's nothing. You need to leave him the whole day to speak about this. And when he's speaking, he gets possessed. He wants to jump so that he can be as tall as I am. And yet, for who he is, the substance that he is, he's 10 times taller than me, he's 10 times taller than any of you here. That conversation will come back here and tell our people. I just wanted to thank you, our Karamoja people. We thank you. Bruno spoke a Karamojong better than Luo. He would hesitate, he would look for words in Luo, but his Karamojong would flow naturally. And Chigamoy, for us to get the Moi Chigamoy, when you have killed a proud warrior enemy, then you are named Chigamoy. I've never killed any person. My hands are very clean, no blood. And I intend to keep it that way until you know me, the great. But my great-great-grandfather, Owen Chigamoy, was a proud fellow. You look at the warriors and say, any doggy is diminutive. Even if it is a so no, I want that one. Come if you are a man. Very selective, very choosy, quite fastidious. So I have inherited that name. I don't know if in any of the things I do, I have the Chigamoy element in it. I don't know, but I'm proud to carry that title. Thank you so much. God bless you. Now, Bruno Chaya, but he will hear. Paul Penguin Bruno Chaya, Neil Come, Neil Echo Penguin, you can Bruno Chaya, one long name. One long one Kelly, go here, you would your father bang one year. Oh, before I go to law, I forgot to say something. Bruno Chaya was a very happy man, a very lucky man. In his wife called Bernard and Appeal. You see him with the children. You know, this woman, this widow now, perfectionist, if you know what a perfectionist is, fastidious, you will find fault. Whatever you do, then they will find fault. You think you've done the best, 110% good, you will find some fault. That's a perfectionist. And somebody who wants you to do your best all the time. Many times you grill me, and it will be Bruno Chaya to rush to my assistance and say, "Go, where is my visa? Why do you disturb my visa?" Now the point of the being, I don't know who will help me from you. When I err a little, because God would always come and defend me. So that was our relationship. Now, Wulutua, Ladma Wurubino, or you could word of Bruno Tan. The Mapol Nayuk in ye, Navy Come, Aeropengel Twine, Pengel Kire, Ana Kikin Jom Mangio Bruno, Kire, Itame, Kimirine, Enomir Debate Wilogo, Momir Watim Wilogo, Momir Tim Wilogo. Better don't take I went. And a local of my country can. No, we'll go to be kind of when we're here. We're good, I gago upon a tutuan. I gago my tongue and upon a tutuan. You might appear a bit to be. They don't appear a bear. I will not running the TV. You are good. Because the Maka Matia, Tier, make a one arena. Guinea, no loyalty, I got it one, Mamaro, the windman pair. No bene, Ruban, you know, we are good at your ability when I would. Where's David? David, okay. You don't ring open. Ah, okay. Kau bin suat. Ay, dah bin ring kan. Kering kalau dah berada. Unang jalan ni, buat ukiri danyo, dakar yang ukiri danyo, Michael. Aku dah cari jadi cek. Kalau mau itu upi gini, Michael ukiri danyo, langol lujung nyari jadi cek. Uru nero che pate ko batini a poma dale ni che do yo kuma po yo mani entro di tiro e non è di tiro per vorukori di tiro per la kuino kori ru kwano ger ka manolo kori na se ya da kuin wa ampre sukuru man no to ro ma kale kwano ger ko kuin kori kan mo no kano ti kan na mera wale Ucheng chere ki yurina yedang mo ko nong digri ki kabelo enni kwa Nairobi Dakar diang tidak bube konu chore ikwan gabla ko kiri mai ko danyo dakamoy langol jum nyari Kaki ko gido do daleo. Bapa ko ga bala ko jon wen digiri. Ki ko gido dakta lo so jo o gela tigo. Ka dong Bruno Chaya mati mo kere ku. Ki wino man. Wan nero lutir wadani uru tuka mada. Nero gimati la kimi ya gura. Gimana ane ambassador la turu wadu kanyi. PM eto PM babe PM menyero ne wuru tuka nero kin ma jua gula tika temone digri urina kawan dong badone kwan wa ma kwan urino katike professors adek urina village katika professor kadek Professor Martin Full Mano ruot. And those are Amale being and the Vedama name. Ruot ka professor, but you want to full professor. Can you know more? You want to full star general. No people like here and when. Urina. La tengo qua Lurgoni. Tu mi man. Che associate professor. You know che la che era Rio, qua Rio ya. Bruno Chaya, ko che era tipo. Bene che Urina. Guarda no be pa che gobra nga u chere. Ni kai kwa ni ma ko kwa. Kene kita ne kere. Kene kita ma wori in kwere. Ka kiro we wan ma pe jo algoro wan ma pe ni tino ngekiri. Du kiro wa ni ka utu wan be ma miru gin chane god wa kai. We ko tin wan wa kwano me piem ni diro wa no ngekiri. Pe me wa kene ni kingol daru me ngekiri kineko kimiel jo we ko to kingo kwano. Piem ma pe. Poi rompe il peito. Utiwi no mara choni utiwi no ne. Ni daru chamati ka kwano bikono wanwen. Daru chamati ka kwano menu jo mo oru mielo tore. Ma mielo wanwen mielo tore. E don professor madong matini matokli full professor ma ko maramo kilo sudo professor engineer la tenga tingi bele kate wa. Gitu algor wanita tekan gitu algor matong lo lagi guru ni bo ero ka algor maya mo ero ni mami doge dan no ero guru ni bo arda ti non chiaro ne kiri ni gaye mutene professor mati fora Rio associate professor Rio Dr. Yang Rio mami eni biru chuo ki kanga jona wil mena no mechero kango kelu lile chane ti wajo ne kit pe mamiero ki kep kanyi mero be kit ti winyre nera kit yene ti wani kanyi pe be meke to pe block it ero ka charo wando to wange ti wani kel gwe du kanyo to ti na apoy meni kin makwaro be keri ya churi la bon ana boru ki mawuno ngiyu jo mara no nyingi jo mawuno ngiyu ene kai chiro kamo ya churi coach ipa dibe ipa yera ino daro ipora pa jude ila bon ino daro makiti ene ya churi mo kwano churi ma chwingi pechol churi ma kamoni kai ti mungkin marai do bang puri churi ma luoro timo ti jok ti nyego kuo churi ma luoro ni rubang luoro tal kere li ini ti mungkin mo marai ko matim ibo le kere rubang mo wekin ko dong wang ni pier ko ka dong ta ko pudi puri ti no yini nero nero lete ti ro pe ngeo pe ngo rubang be no wekin lok mo pe ko dong to ka dong bini ko de ko nyiling matwa ti ni ya churi guru ngi nyiling matwa churi am buor lo ka be meti ki chiro meti lo go be ko dano ni pe mir ni mo ni non ki no mo ni e tamani ke ti yu ki nga to mo marai we de non ki no mo ki no ki mo ni ko ra ku ki ne na mi ki yu ki marai ki dawo be ko no dong ra ga da lo ko mo pere e to ba ngiu ni dong pere de ini ti ka mi ru kumbo do aye na dong yi la ye ke ro maro e ni ku mi gi ko de ngom ta la kwe mu ko ki chero ka a chur ma chon ngiu inu ni ma chur ma ko be pe ni a chur ma chon ngiu ni lakini mo ken mai do kangu ka ti mu gin ma be ke lo gin ma be pa ke ke le ata wona ke ne ke lo pe lo pa so ne wen a chur ma chon be ngiu ni lakini ma ki do dai ke lo pe o do pa do mo ene we o a chur ma chon ke no lakini lo yero ya wan bi pe mo ti kai ru ko me ki ri ti ko be ni ko de ko na ke na men ke dem mi ko na ke nyual ni ne rem nyual anga me ke nyual la bo rem dan man we ke nyual la bo rem ti dong anu na lok ke kai ke dan ma charo Bruno Chaya gene ke na ke go ke ma ke mi o bodan ma pon bo gen ber pengen ni ka ta mo wan win the first class so wa ni ama pa te pale Bruno Chaya pengen ka win go ni no win ni to pengen do na rem dong de kien che okay ko na pol tal bara wo borina wo be ngiki ko la ke ka mo kane pol tal ko pan yo me patron la dilan pol tal ko ti no me agago pol tal ko na churi ndo wen ni ko di enni mir wange ni ko di enni donc ti a ti ro wan be ne ko pepo ka peru ba ka pia de ko ma gum no da o chok mia to ko ma gum da wan be mo wi ni ke la pe na bio no wi ni wan ke do na bio e da wa ke la pe te o de wa anen do ba churo ro che anen na le ko e de don ko pa churo me yam ana ne ni e no a do na ke ka yuero di ka ma ro ka cha no anen ke wa e te la pe ne cha neno te mo mo de kiti ni ket la guerra che non ta neno biye quindi alla tin quando mo go re che ko beru per io che era wetu won do patron do di la da jale ka ka det na ti beru en ko beru en wen wuri no wa bikin makin uwino time ipongo ento you can win the tiro make bera che le che le tiro lukun le tiro la pon la wo le tiro koran le tiro koi atiak patiro la bon che be mo kene le tiro di metalo un na ye gutu mo le ruot long da mo me lu tua win dog me pongo ke no guri ke ro ne me lo da no me ko ko dan pe men ki mo ne me ra wa yi di da no do be wan pe wo bi ru ka mo ka pe mo wa ki bi ne ro lo ka ki YouTube social media no do patron ko bi man ma ambassador la ro wa ne me put la gwe ke ko lo ke come ka le ti ru be lu pe ka le ti pa jo mo ka ne ambassador la ro bi ru ka ka lo anda do wuru ne lo ka dong anda be dong a chung right hand na ke logo lo ti mi ru ti ne atia pi ma mi ru be ke kinyo we le ti no wa ma kwam we kiti mo ne chien mo no da ya chien no varia mo ke le ke mo ma kwam cái quay này nhiều man Bruno Chaya mo kene man chim chiele mo kene man Dr. Michael Ukiri da mo kene man Ambrose Ukuru mo kene man John Yaro mo kene yo agara mo kene kape wate mo kitano nyin John do ber charo do ku bibi yam ni bibi yam ke mo kene ni ke na ngage no ka do ko ti dano ke wan po ke me kai ko wan pe chukune me dano ne window yang bor ke tiene na ka lo ka chane that pin chukut chamu diku ko na dia ke tek na dia du do chamu ta pa ra rio bu du ke dan kwa eno ke ku ya ka kwa pe na churi ka no dek ma churi te ru pe dek me ki ru la ku ku ngoi ni ki ru la ku ku ngoi dek me uti dek me kuon ka maka kwayo ma de neno neno be ne be pe ngui pe ne no mi ro de pe ko no nyo ma ye ni ke mo ka kwa en no mo ki ke mo ka kwa en no mo me ye tu mo mi ro do ye me ye tu mo be nwaro professor Bruno Chaya mo kene me ye tu mo be nwaro King Chile Mokene, Ambrose Pur Mokene, J.J. Ukim Mokene, Moses Opi Ugal Mokene. Kapu Kumenu Riva, what he talk and Malay. Bruno don't talk a year ago. There were no people more corner, you don't. There were people meaning. You were for Bruno Tamo Canen, Betty. You are watching the Bruno Carport. People meaning no more beating money. Well, Gicken, the full banner. I knew Melmadan and Virginia Ticket. Every dad, I'm a baby, but I'm a damn man making. I bet you give my baby, and put yellow moment it will tell Babana. Babana couldn't wound when you were not tomorrow. And yellow burning moment it is getting a jam you will. And yellow burning moment it can pay my head. Ping my ring. Capio, mega data. Pio mego. Well, Bruno Papa. Nana can you look at another Bruno Mega Euro? The man, Francesca, my friend, you know, Doctor Bruno Quo, Kaya Jury, Kaya Majur Machoni, Kono Bulti di Kalkai. Pianking any Bruno Poto, Namoto on a bon we, yet you went in the old. Donc, il qui était non, Bruno Beramo Toada, quand il est dit, Madame Bruno Pere, notre mot, Madame Rambo Timogino, ma choc, mon Bruno, et maintenant, le leurre de Guadoni, que Wadi Carlo. Ni, Gimbo Bruno Timilo, et qui est le mieux, qui dava de Bruno Poto, Bruno. Et le cas il y le télé pour Bruno, Yingin un po vigné, Yingin un pigin, the Dal Pemero, qui dava de Jayaka, d'autres. Jaya dong kau tu ada, dong mengapa bicara macam ni, jaya kau tu ada. Ada orang tu ada mereka itu. Bruno Marlon mekuan, beru aku mapul lau beri Uganda. Namu beru min lekero kiwan lekero en putpo en apa kala lekero ke Bruno. Kala kijie, gubi katu kala Bruno jaya. Apa kala. Min kijie, Bruno sendiri. Kada na pada buang gang api upu ni ini bere romo biru bere opin no kaka no da wani ini kono eno timene ni meni mega kioni dong pele ko nyone mega kioni mako bene dong kala ten la wore dong neno kiteng doge kiteng wai kitiene no kono doge o kitiene dong palo mako ala ko e bada wonu biru kalau kau ia mencari waktu mempagat dong, kau hebat macam, manju pada kiri, dah wengkau, niru le dong, niru mana kau ia rutin, mega diri macam, kau ada kiri, pemiluan Bruno, kau ada kiri ni, Bruno M, piala bilu ni, pemiluan adi, main bilu ia piala. Kani ni bayi belum makatek kan gini ini tim makatek ni bayi belum ni ye piye ke minuman ko mate pada ko le pino kam em dan Bruno ke mar ko ni pe wi to wi ri ko ba ka wa nga ko ke ba ni go ye to ki le pera ta le pe din ko ko tim ni ki da pe ki bon mo ke be ni mo wa din be ko le me wa ke wa ke na me ro te ko mate
take a taking group photo family.
The team, Bruno is a friend. You are asking for Ambassador Laratur to come to Makerere and lecture. For us, they say no. The world has benefited from him for far too long. Now he is ours until we bury him. He is not going anywhere. He is now going to work.
Big Laratur, Ambassador, the Maryland in very photo.
Thank you so much for coming.
So currently, photo moment is going on. They're taking photo for Chief Justice of Uganda Windolo, Professor Naruto, and the professors from Makerere University are also involved in this photo taking. So they're going to take back this, and the program continues.
And don't put it logo under the microphone, but the clergy, I don't know, I don't put your wing, your work, Karamat. I got a microphone, but I'm not it. Committee wing, Digi, Tower Man, being a lega. Been a review meeting, Padukanya Point.
Lukumu luye amerapu mate. Between my bear, between my ma. Maybe no kaluak kominwa, Professor Bruno. Kan beramero watini Bernadette Apio, Mary Mino Bruno. And you pay metro me achiel. The school moved with totally today as Bishop Green Secondary School. You know, you can tell a Mara Viola, the late. Then there's four of them. But the three, the Romy as Bishop Green Manok, I tell you, nurse, no magic, or a man. You know, Kawan, community, Makun, no get it done. Arba wanwa walegu merwa pui nek po pamenwa lok ma pecho mak logo kom pone kom tiche ba konwa keri twimo wana tira tira kero mek kwanyo la nan ma be ma menwa bruno owe pecho pon tino ma mewa ikan tik pon yo pata tik ma wana ti Waktu ini kau mungkin saya komluak kemang kau biru penyutuma, kau Profesor Bruno. Waktu ini kau mungkin saya kompia marman, mereka marro kau nuadok, igubu itu kecil. Waktu mana ini wadwa Yesus Kristus. Ini wan kiwat itu pemanggeng.
Well, I check. The DP service provider, maybe you can work or may get work with my service, me know the channel of the Guru Kerry.
Gipo Yesu Kristo. Gipo Yesu Kristo. Be metaphor Monsino Matthew Dong Matekin Wakai Tadi dulu bagian konyo en kita lo lega Sisters community Matekin Wakai lo punya diri Chief Justice me Uganda kiwele dojo mapapat magente kan kuyu mate kanya nene kilo amne orang jelo yo Welcome pa catering group achiel mati patong town council kan macak dong mwaka bichiela bora ngi makelwane chan wede pere tigen tiji ma pere tek ene mineno chan manopar to rakiti gen pere chung ke pa jo eno ni tigen konyo me yo pukena chama mo chini miyo gino mati tiri mi chabun bodgi Mecha menel teoria ni mwakanya ni genweng ti ay table. Piane babawa, la remwa,
Latihan maka megwa, Oluwa, Ichame Ajiki, Mayana Yogopewan, Chiapoe Wundu Yomubit, Ripe Achamo. Eta jo magen wa magen por mapageno chamo pepe. Chi meta mate nyima kan lotel lega ki bolo ene geno pitiu ke meta ene. Meta chi ene jo mati bolo ene ki tiu kede ki mene ne te chane bolo rio chane warong tik kede. Ki man ene district leaders ki jo mageno aka Kampala geno pitiu kede. Patang community kan maten pacang rurepe ti ye makene ke chene aga community ni watiu ke meta no ki jo mati te ka chane watiu ke meta chiel area chamene doctor ti ye ni ko me ga lo kwa kuch magen ti ano ge la chama opunye opiane kalu di rubia un pu mi robot mano pucham ke drivers walegu ndujo ni opiane nyim kan mape di go bino de ke ye ni piano huri odo lo dire wa ene ni chiun meru yengo me matek we ko bu mabe ni po Yesu Kristo
Vậy mà chắc khi mà đen qua chỗ cho mày đồng chắc kì Còn qua mà tè là quay lại cả Ini kê là nó Nhim châm Dù mơ cái group đó Trung nghe này bên này Giờ mà chắc kênh như Cái mẹ thế Tao ở phố giờ mà quen Và chỉ kê đu cả chên Panogia chama ka iri a ma penogia chama mego bi kaji ko me ba pe mego ke ken wan ko wen utika ni no pe wan no ki yom chin o foi ma te wa foi
Folks, wherever you are, the program, can say it has come to an end. The next program is now people to have lunch. To those who have been watching, God bless you and may the soul of the fallen hero rest in peace. Thank you. Bye-bye.